shoot tomorrow. And just John, I just got what that with is. Then I shoot tomorrow. No way. What happened to me? Did I shoot tomorrow? I just shoot tomorrow. I want to meet you to Turkish. Hi, Turkish. What he say? He said, right is right. No way! I shoot tomorrow. He said, what? His skills. I am chef. I love being chef. Well, maybe he used to be chef. And then he said he wants to be a runner and correct the ball. What? No, kill it. You have to wait.
Ayaw nga dapat patakbo na sa akin. Oo, yun ang sabi sa akin. Kasi yung sabi na
Okay, who wants some guard? Hopefully it's just me. I can make it myself. Yeah. Thank you, Starfish. No! I hit the hitbox! Starfish kill it. No. Hi, Starfish. Right. I am back. Okay. So, think we make the group. I don't know who do it. We make the group. It's USO. Just kidding, camera brand. Get up, get about. Guys, remember you just gave it to late. Now it's new. Now it's called Woman Speed Gun Woman. Now they 3 girl now and a lot of boys. Turpy Hoya! Too late. I am run on the mic. That new guy, he said hacker hit one, not a hit one. The guy. Okay. And like using the chef. I mean the fish. Yes, the mirror. Here we go! Swordfish, you can do it! You can do it! Oh, swordfish style. No? It's the Morocco. Bakit?
Dalawang sunod.
Is it gone?
Dalawang sunod. Tanggal ka na. Pakisa dito. Pag dalawa. Pag dalawa, hindi ka nakaboto. Bakit yun? Nangyari sa akin yun, sarang boto. Kailangan ano lang.
Bruh! Hit one! I hit her. I will get my revenge.
At kahit alam mo na tayo lang yung pagkas. Kahit alam mo na
Innocent. So I shoot the mirror here. Okay, let's just myself. The fish you want to be in the right. Yep. Who's the mirror? What is he doing? I think he's the mirror. Third bird. I mean third fish. Let it down. Please come up, mirror. Where are you? Why is he the mirror? Oh, innocent. Alright, I think it's the mirror. Is he the mirror? Who's the mirror? Is he lagging?